Hello, hello, everybody. Welcome to another English Saturday class. Today is November 25th, 2023. And here we are with another topic using adjective clauses. Today, we're going to be using whose and other question words to make adjective clauses. Okay. As you can see here on the screen, we have whose, of course. Whose means possessions, shows possessions in a sentence. And we're going to be using whose, to make adjective clauses. I have already taught you guys how to use whose. It's very simple. There's not much to explain. I'm not going to explain how to use whose, because I already taught you and you know the meaning of whose, ¿ok? ¿Verdad que sí? Ya saben usar el whose, ¿sí? ¿O hay algo que explicar? A ver, Adrián, Leslie. Who and whose and who have the same pronunciation, ¿sí? A ver, Adrián, Leslie, ¿dudas aquí, por favor? ¿Hay algo que quieren que les dé un repaso el uso del whose o no? ¿Sí se acuerdan? ¿Cómo se sienten? A ver, respondan por favor, están muy calladitos. As you can see here on the screen, whose and whose, almost the same pronunciation says here. But no, I think there's a slightly, difference. Whose, okay, no, they have the same pronunciation. Whose, yeah, they have the same pronunciation. Whose, same pronunciation, but not the same meaning. Whose, what does it mean, whose? Who is. Look, it could be who is or who has. It could be who is or who has. It could be an abbreviation of who is or who has. Okay? Could be that. Could be who is or it could be who has. Adrián, ¿recuerda el uso del whose? ¿No? ¿Sí? Adrián. I was telling you guys, do you guys remember how to use whose? ¿Sí recuerdan cómo usar el whose? A ver. ¿Qué me pueden decir del whose?
Yo la verdad no me acuerdo cómo usarlo, la verdad.
Ah, perfecto, eso es lo que quiero saber. Si no, para explicarlo. Leslie, ¿tú lo recuerdas?
Pues más o menos.
Bueno, miren, el whose es otro question word, ¿no? Así como el what, el where, who, which, es otro question word, ¿sí? ¿Qué podemos preguntar nosotros con el whose? Primero, chicos, vamos a hacer ejemplos usando preguntas, ¿sí? El whose. Pero el objetivo y la meta es que con esta palabra también no hagamos oraciones adjetivas, ¿no? Pero normalmente en la cuestión del whose, pues primero se enseña a hacer preguntas. Y es muy fácil, miren. Por ejemplo, who is that car? Perdón. Miren esta pregunta, qué fácil. Who is that car? ¿Está fácil hacer preguntas con el whose? A ver, chicos. ¿Cómo la ven? Who is that car? A ver, ¿cómo la ven? ¿Está fácil o no está fácil? ¿Qué significa who is that car?
Creo que sería de quién es ese carro.
Así es. Y también puedo decir whose book is, whose book this is. Whose book this is, or whose book is this? Perdón. Whose book is this? Ahí está. Hey, whose book is this? Whose book is this?
¿De quién es este libro? O algo así.
Ajá. ¿Quién es este libro? A ver, whose book this is? Whose book is this? Sí, pero como que tengo una duda por aquí. Bueno, entonces, este es el uso del whose, ¿no? Este es el uso del whose. Whose keys are this? Ahí está. Whose keys are this? Ese es el uso del whose, ¿no? Ese es el uso del whose. El whose, como lo muestra aquí en pantalla, shows possession, you know. His car can be changed. No, pero ahí ya se va aquí. Lo que pasa es que aquí ya está explicando las oraciones adjetivas. Pero este es el uso del justo. Ese es el uso del justo. Voy a hacer una pequeña pausa, disculpe. Okay, so here we are. I opened this book in order to show you how to use whose, so you guys can remember, you know, how to use the question word whose. I want you to learn first, you know, how to use whose as a question word. Okay, so take a look at these examples on the screen. Whose book is this? Whose books are this? We can use, you know, we can make a question in a singular form or in a plural form. Whose books are this? Look, we can use this. This is singular. This, it's plural. Okay, take a look at that. You know, you have to pay attention to words which are singular. This is singular, this, and this word, it's plural. This. Look at the difference on the pronunciation. This, this. Okay. You can answer like mine, it's my book. Rita's, they are Rita's book, they are Adrian's book. Okay. So whose, it's all about possession. Okay. It's my book, it's your book, you know. It's about possession. Who's this? You know. Whose is often, you know, used with the noun. For example, with the book, with keys, with the computer, you know. That's how we use whose, for example. Okay, so let's continue. We can also say, hey, but look at the difference. Who's your teacher? Look at the difference. Whose, you know, it sounds the same as whose. Who's your teacher? It's not the same. I'm just asking or making a question with who is. But abbreviated, it's who's your teacher or who is your teacher. So it's not the same. Like I said before, it's just that it sounds almost the same. Okay. So look at here the teacher. Who is this? This is the most common question. Who is this or who are this in a plural form? Who's the artist? Because who, remember, who, it's for people, it's for a person. Remember, who, look at this. Who, it's for a person or people. And whose, it's for objects. Look at this. This is for objects. That could be another different whose. Well, this could be another teacher. You know, sorry, this could be another way of seeing this. So who is for people, you can also say who is for objects, okay? Because look at the question here. Who's this and who's the artist? Who's the artist? This question, it's for people. So now let's practice a little bit. Then we have to choose if it is whose or who. I would like to do that. Okay. So number one here is whose watch is this? Pretty simple, right? So let me see here. Let me do this. I'm gonna use the word singular, and I'm gonna use the word also plural. I'm gonna use here plural, so I can help you. Look, this right here, this question, the first question is singular. The first question is singular, and the second is plural. Okay, how can we make the second question? Whose glass is what? Okay, Leslie, can you finish the question, number 2? Finish.
Solo la completo.
Yes, please. Complete it.
Whose glasses are those?
Very good. Why those? Why those? Tell me. Why? Can you tell me why those and not that?
Porque estoy diciendo de uno solo.
Because it is singular. No, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look. This is singular. Singular. Which word is singular? Singular. These words are singular. This and that are singular. Look at this. These two words are singular. And these other words, let me show you here, are plural. Look at this. Okay, then we have this and those. You see the difference? Okay. This and that are singular. This and those are plural. Okay? That is the difference between these two. Okay, so now, number 3, Adrian. Number 3, it's singular. The teddy bear, it's singular. I'm going to help you with this, Adrian. The teddy bear is singular. So how can you complete this question, Adrian? Whose teddy bear? Adrian, are you there? Where are you?
Sería
It'll be what? Which one is?
R.
Okay, but R is singular or plural? Look, another singular and plural word. Look, I'm still helping you. I'm writing all the singular word here. Singular words here, plural words here. Look at the screen.
Ok, eso sería is.
Okay, now it's easier. Okay, whose teddy bear is? Which one?
This.
This? Okay, this. Very good. So now, do you understand now? Which teddy
Sí.
bear is this? Okay. Number 4. Number 4, Leslie. Number 4 is singular.
Whose hat is that?
Very good. Whose hat is that? Okay. Very good. Number 5. Adrian. 5 is plural.
Whose shoes are those?
Very good. Are those. Very good. But do you guys know the difference between this, that, and those? Do you know the difference? Yes or no? You know or you don't know the difference? This is near. This is near. And this is far. What is near and what is far? This, you use this and this when things are near. And you use that and those when the things are far. When something is far away. Leslie, what does it mean near? Near. What does near means? What does near means? Or far? Oh, it's far away. Oh, my home, it's near my school. Home is near my school. School.
Significaría cerca.
That is near. And far? Oh, a school is far away from home. A school is far away from, yes, it's far away. So, look guys, we use the word this and this when things are near. We use that and those when things are far. Okay, so those, it's far. Whose glasses are those? You're pointing. Oh, those. Okay, this, it's close. That, it's far. Look, this is near. Okay, this is far. Look at that. Okay, whose shoes are those? And this is near. Look, this is near. This is near. And it is plural. Look at this. Question number 6, it's plural and the objects are near. What are the objects? The keys. So the keys, which are plural and are near me, are near to you or me. So how can you complete the question number 6? Would you please complete it? Who can complete it? Please complete it. Whose turn is it? It is your turn, Adrian, or it is your turn, Leslie? Whose turn is? Whose turn is? Listen to my question. Which one I'm using in my question? This or this? Whose turn is? But I'm making another question before. Which word I'm using here? Which word I'm using for? Listen to my question. Whose turn